So I know you've heard it on Triple D before, and you kind of get tired of it, but just please indulge me. It's a story about a kid being adopted from Bogota, Colombia, and he comes to live with an Irish family here in Wilmington, Delaware. He starts firing up some real deal barbecue in Little Italy. You gotta check it out. This is Locale BBQ Post.
It's quick, it's easy, and you can get some really good barbecue.
But this neighborhood joint wasn't initially on chef and owner Dan Sheridan's radar.
I had a small pickling company going on.
Pickling company. Yeah, everybody has one of those.
We would have to sell tons of pickles to pay rent.
I mean, that'll put you in a pickle.
Yeah, it would.
So Dan tapped into his culinary background and went full-blown barbecue, smoking up everything from beef
Brisket rib plate.
to bird, like what this little barbecue spot is known for.
Chicken salad sandwich.
Chicken salad sandwich.
The smoked chicken salad is out of this world.
It's got the smokiness of the chicken, the celery, a ton of spices in there.
It's awesome.
So what are we starting off with?
Our dry rub, we use this for every meat. The cumin, garlic powder, some onion powder, chili powder,
Seasoned salt.
cayenne, salt, black pepper, dry mustard, Cajun seasoning,
Okay.
paprika, brown sugar into that. That's ready to go on our meats. So we start with about a 3.5-pound chicken, spatchcock it,
Take the backbone out.
seasoned right on the skin.
Now, how long are we gonna let this sit on there?
A few hours,
Go into this smoker.
2.5, 3 hours.
What kind of wood?
We use all cherry wood here. Everything's at 250 degrees. Then we shred it.
Because there's no bones in your chicken salad.
No, we take those
I
out.
didn't know if it might be a Wilmington thing, like, hey, free bone. No, okay.
No.
Next up?
We make all our own bacon here. We put some bits in our chicken salad sandwich.
Okay.
Our house dry rub, which we just made.
Great.
Pink curing salt. Finish it with some brown sugar. So we'll score the fat, and that just helps it get inside there. It'll go on 6, 7 days. No, we just rinse it.
And on the 7th day, they rinsed. In the smoker, cherry wood at 250.
Yes.
So no joke, all smoke. All right, go before I eat all the bacon.
Mayo, white and dark meat, celery, bacon. About half gone already. But
Okay, well, someone was eating it.
lemon, dill, seasoning salt, pepper. We're ready to go. We get brioche buns.
Where do you buy the pickles from?
We make all our pickles here, of course. Get a nice spoonful.
That's all she wrote. Anytime you're making smoked chicken and smoked bacon, put them together in a sandwich. Can't go wrong. Not too much smoke on the chicken. We get a little celery in there. Base foundation. You want, right. What are these pickled with?
Vinegar, salt, sugar. There's some dill in there, our dry rub, and some Old Bay.
The dry rub gets in the pickles, too.
Yes, sir, everything.
Well done. Congratulations.
Thanks a lot. Chicken salad coming up.